Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand question answers of chapter number 12, oral question answers. Question number 1. Which two words have been used to describe the princess? In the chapter, there are two words that have been used to describe the princess. Which are they? Answer. The two words that have been used to describe the princess are exceedingly cross and discontented. So, these are the two words because the princess was always cross and she was always dissatisfied. She was never satisfied. That is why these are the two words in the chapter which have been used. Question number 2. Who was the boy who stood at the doorway? In the chapter, there was one boy who stood at the doorway when everyone was there in the hall. Answer. The boy was the minstrel's son. So who was the boy? The boy was the minstrel's son. His name was Robert. Read and answer question number 1. What happened when the princess commanded the boy to come near her? So in the chapter, when the princess was supposed to select her playfellow, at that time, when she commanded the boy to come near her, what happened? Answer. When the princess commanded the boy to come near, the boy drew back. The boy actually did not follow the command and he drew back. The boy was taken by surprise and hence, with a bewildered look, he shook his head and refused to follow the princess's command. So, when the princess commanded the boy to come near her, he actually was very surprised and very confused. And so, what he did, he shook his head, he said no, and he refused, and then he ran away. Question number 2. What reasons did the queen give to the princess that she could not play with Robert? So in the chapter, queen explained to princess that she could not play with Robert and she gave her some reasons. What were they? Answer. The queen explained her that the little boy was hard of hearing, hence he cannot hear any sound. Besides, he was also not a prince, so the queen said that he would not be fit as a playfellow for her. So, queen explained princess that boy was unable to hear anything and he was also not a prince. So these were the two reasons that princess could not play with him, or she could not select him as her playfellow. Question number 3. What reason did the princess give for wanting to play with Robert? So in the chapter, princess gave the reason that I want to play with Robert only, and she gave the reason. So what was that reason? Answer. The princess said that she wanted Robert to be her playfellow as he was different from others and had a wonderful look on his face. So the princess said that she wanted only Robert as her playfellow and nobody else. The reason was Robert was different from others and he had a wonderful look on his face. Question number 4. Where did the pony finally stop? Answer. The pony took the princess into the deep forest and finally stopped near a little grey house that was in the middle of the forest. The house had a garden with beautiful flowers. So the pony on which the princess was riding, that pony went into forest and it stopped near a little grey house. That house was in the middle of the forest and that house also had a beautiful garden in which there were many flowers. Question number 5. What was the proclamation that was issued? Why was it issued? Answer. The proclamation issued was to tell the whole world that Princess Prunella wanted someone to play with. So, whoever wished to be her playfellow was asked to be present in the hall on the appointed day. Princess Prunella would always grumble despite of having every bit of happiness. So the proclamation is king or queen, they send the messenger to inform everyone in the town. So Here, a proclamation was issued that Princess Prunella wanted a playfellow, and so those who were interested to play with her, they all were invited to come in the hall, and on a fixed day. Princess Prunella would always grumble. She used to complain and complain about everything, and she was always cross and discontented. She was never happy. She was always angry and frustrated. Her parents thought that if she had someone to play with, she would become a happy and cheerful princess. So, the king and the queen, they thought that if Princess Prunella, if she will have someone to play with, she might become happy and cheerful. So they thought of issuing a proclamation. So this was the reason why a proclamation was issued. I hope you have understood the question answers. Thank you.